In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Dev Mode in Wix Studio. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, enabling Dev Mode can unlock a whole new world of customization capabilities for your Wix website. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where you will be managing the design and functionality of your site. It's the backbone of your editing capabilities and provides a user-friendly interface for tweaking your website to perfection. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to start exploring the development options available to you. Next, direct your attention to the Dev Mode button. Clicking on Dev Mode is your gateway to enabling advanced features that might not be visible in the standard editing view. This option is primarily designed for users who have a bit of coding knowledge, as it allows you to access the code underneath the visual elements. Once you click Dev Mode, you'll notice new options that provide greater control over the coding aspect of your website. After clicking on Dev Mode, you'll see an option to turn on Dev Mode. Go ahead and click it. This will activate the development tools and panels that provide deeper access to the code. It's important to note that while these tools can enhance functionality, they also require careful handling to ensure your site continues to function smoothly. The idea here is to bridge your design prowess with coding expertise, allowing you to create custom features and manipulate the design beyond what's available in the standard settings. With Dev Mode active, the next step is to click on Page Code. This area is where you'll begin interacting with the JavaScript associated with your specific page. Entering this mode allows you to write functions, create interactive elements, and control how pages behave. If you've ever wanted to incorporate unique features that aren't standard in Wix templates, this is your chance. Following that, move on to the Backend and Public section. This part needs a bit of clarity. Backend refers to server-side code which operates behind the scenes, while public pertains to code that affects the front end or what the user sees on their browser. Having separate access to these areas allows for advanced customization of how data is handled and displayed. Finally, click on Developer Tools. This section is your comprehensive toolkit for coding within Wix. Here, you can access and manage all the various coding environments. Whether you're fine-tuning server requests or adjusting visual elements, developer tools provide the necessary resources and interfaces to execute your coding tasks. With these tools at your disposal, you'll have the flexibility to build unique user experiences, create tailored interactions, and optimize your site's performance. Now that you know how to turn on Dev Mode in Wix Studio, you have the power to take your website to the next level. Remember to experiment with caution and make sure to save your work frequently. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.